So you're looking to study at PCA but you have nowhere to live? Follow me. So not as you've expected so far. Only 2 minutes from PCA and 5 minutes from Drake Circus, where you can buy food, clothes, and even meet your friends for dinner. There's also a co-op just around the corner in case you need to do a bit of quick shopping. Come on, follow me, I'll show you around the place. So this is where you'll sleep, and if you follow me, I'll show you where you can study in peace and quiet. So this is the study room, where you can study by yourself or even with a group of friends if you wanted to, but not today. So this is the common room. This is where you can come in your spare time to play pool with friends. Or if you wanted to, you can just chill out and watch the TV. We also have reception with staff available 24/7 and a laundry available for you to use at any time. So do you like the place? If not, we've got one more alternative for you just around the corner. Follow me, I'll take you there. So here we are, pretty close, right? If you do decide to stay with us, please visit our website at hoststudents.com. Okay, got to go now, but I'll see you soon in Plymouth.